Welcome back to Punta Cana. All you can see. I hope the microphone works because we are in India today. I have seen the advertisement on Instagram and I really wanted to try it out. I love Indian food, and every now and then we have an Indian restaurant here, but usually not for very long. And I have to say, this one here as well, I'm the only one. Everybody is at the Italian and next door and something else. So hopefully making this video and the food will be good. A lot of you come here and they stay open. We are at the food park close to Los Corrales, where are more restaurants. And the Indian is new, so let's try it. So the menu is in Spanish and in English, one on each side. And the prices are in Dominican pesos. It also tells you under the dish what's inside the dish, what it's made of, and taxes are not included. I ordered 2 starters because I really want to try more than just one dish and not so big. And I'm waiting for samosas and a chicken tikka. Chicken tikka entrada? I don't know. I hope it's not too big. This is my mango lassi. I used to drink it a lot as well in India. I usually had one a day. Banana lassi. So it's made from a base of yogurt. In India, it's different where you have it. Sometimes there's a lot of sugar inside. Sometimes not. This here is just right. ¿Cómo lo hacemos? Así. Okay. ¿Qué tipo de salsa tenemos?
Salsa verde, salsa roja.
Okay, that's easy enough. Thank you. Hi. Hola.
¿Esto es salsa tamarindo o eso salsa menta?
Okay. Sí, yo sé. Muchas gracias. So we have here a mint sauce. It's green. And tamarindo, it's red and sweet. And I love mint sauce, so hopefully it's as good as it should be. And these are samosas. Nice and hot. ¿Y eso para acá? ¿O cómo? No sé cómo se come. Dígame tú. ¿Así? Se ve muy delicioso. Gracias. My samosas, and here is my chicken tikka. Looks very delicious. And there are more people to come, hopefully. Also lecker. I'm happy to see that there are a lot of people here in the food park, but also that makes it a little bit noisy. You still can talk if you come with more people. You could still hear each other, and well, it's a normal noise. Just I know a couple of people that don't like it too noisy, so go and try it. I'm sitting here in the corner. I still can hear the music from the Mexican. I think it's a Mexican, and but nothing too bad. Nothing too bad. I really like that there is life again here at this little food park. Hope all the restaurants stay open. Hope all the customers keep coming, so that they're not closing. I have my food to go because I just couldn't finish it, but it's delicious, and I'm looking forward to eat it at home tomorrow. So I hope you like the little video. Another place here you can visit in Punta Cana, and I say goodbye, adios, ciao, ciao. Here from Punta Cana, all you can see. I hope to see you again, like always, in the next video. picking up my car from the
Voy
car
a
wash.
cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.